If cosine A is equal to 4 over 5, find the value of cosine 2A. This is the question to be answered here on the primer chat box. Again, if cosine A is equal to 4 over 5, find the value of cosine 2A. Good luck! Hello Genius! Today is another multiplication math trick. Now, it is about multiplication by subtracting. I will give you 4 examples now. 2-digit number multiplied by 2-digit number and 3-digit number multiplied by 2-digit number. Now, our first example is 71 by 37. We will find the nearest number to this one, which is equal to, for example, 80. Now, 80, we have 80 here. Okay, how much we have to minus to become 71? Of course, it is minus 9 to become 71. So, 80 by 37, and it's by 37, so it will be 37 by 80, which is equal to 56, carry 5, 24, 290. So 2960. This one is 2960. And 37 by 9, which is equal to 63, carry 6, 27, 32. So 3, 3, 3, and we have to minus, then equal to 7, this is 5, is equal to 2, 6, 2. That means the answer is 2,627. 2,627. This is the answer for 71 by 37. Our second example is 34 by 78. Now, we'll take the 78, because this is the higher. So, for example, we'll take the 78. So, we have to go to the higher nearest number, whole number. So, how much we have to minus 80 to become 78? Of course, is minus 2. So, we have to multiply this 80 by 34, and this minus 2 is by 34 also. So therefore, if we have 34 by 80, which is equal to 32 carry 3, 24, 2,720, and we have 34 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 68. So this is, because this is minus, it will become negative 68. Therefore, our answer is 10 minus 2, 11, 5, 6, 2. Therefore, our final answer here is 2, 6, 5, 2. This is our answer by 34 by 78. We use 80, so we minus 2 to become 78. So multiply by this one is equal to 2720. This one 34 by 80, and 34 by 2 is equal to 68, which is negative because this is negative. So this is the final answer, which is equal to 2652. Now moving on to our third example, which is equal to 43 by 87. Now if we have 43 by 87. Now 43 by 87. So 87, what is near to that, is equal to, the higher one is 90. 90. So we minus 3 to become 87. So it will be minus 3. So multiply by this number, which is 43. And this number also multiply by 43. Therefore, 43 by 9 is equal to, by 90 is equal to 27, 36, 38. So this is 3870. Now, the next one is 43 by 3, it's 9, 129, and it is negative because this is negative. So, negative 129. Therefore, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 7, 3. Therefore, our final answer is equal to 3, 7, 4, 1. Our last example is 178 by 61. So, if we will base this one on the nearest number, which is 180, so 180, how much we have to minus to become 178? Of course, is minus 2. So, multiply this one by 61, this one by 61, therefore, 180 by 61 is equal to 0, 8, 18, 48, 48, carry 4, 10. So, we have 10, 9, 8, 0. So, therefore, this is 10, 9, 8, 0. And 2 multiplied by 61 is equal to negative 1, 2, 2, of course, because it is minus. So, 8, 5, 8, 10. So, the answer is 10,858. So, this matrix really is easy because just for example, you need one number and base it to the higher number, and then you have to check how much you have to minus to get the answer, the original number, and then multiply it by the second number, take the product and the sum, and you'll get the answer. It's really very easy. Before we'll end up this video, I will give you the solution to the problem I gave last premiere. It's about age problem. Now, the problem is Mary is twice as old as Peter is today. Now, Mary is twice as old as Peter. So, and then 20 years ago, Mary was 3 times as old as Peter. How old are they today? So, we have to tabulate their age. For example, we have Mary and we have Peter. It says on the so we have the present and we have the past. We have to tabulate like this is better. If you will solve the age problem, if there is the present, past, and future ages, and if it involves more than 2 persons, it's better to tabulate. If we designate the age of Mary as M and Peter as P, therefore, Mary is twice as old. That means Mary is twice as old as Peter. So, this is the Peter age. And Mary is twice as old as Peter. So, 20 years ago, so that means if they have the present age which is equal to 2P minus 20 because 20 years ago, so P also is minus 20. So, we can make an equation because it says here that 20 years ago, Mary is 3 times as old. So, 20 years ago, that means their ages is like this. Therefore, Mary's age was 3 times as old as Peter. So, if this is Mary's age, therefore it is equal to 3 times as old as Peter. The Peter age is P minus 20. Therefore, we can solve this one now. 2P minus 20 is equal to 3P minus 60. P, therefore, is equal to 40. So the age of Peter of 40, then Mary is twice Peter. Therefore, it is equal to 2 times 40. Therefore, it is 80.